morning! Welcome back to the van build. Today I want to make a start with the insulation. That's not going to be easy. I've got Rockwool. I want to put that against the plating of the ceiling and then bubble plastic over it and tape the whole thing off. The big question is, how do I get the Rockwool to stay so that I can put the bubble plastic up? Everywhere they use spray glue. I can't get spray glue. 69. I chose this because it's basically, look, 2 layers. And for me, that would be enough.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold.
Oh, I'm gonna be here all day. Alright, we'll try again. Nah, this is just not working. I can glue it on the bubble wrap. Yes, I'm going to try that. See you in a bit.
No, my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms.
I'll put a cap on. But boy, it's too dusty. Because that's where the wire has to come out, and I don't want to make my life more difficult than it already is. Okay, I'm about 6 hands short and I don't work very well above my head. Oh well, I think I have a solution. I cut a little bit of this insulation material. I'm going to put the Rockwool up, the aluminium foil with it, then this to keep it in place, and I've got one of my trekking poles that I can put under there and that might keep it in place. Could work. We'll call him Bob.
Seasons come.
That's gonna work. So I have a system, but first I'm gonna take some of these scraps and I'm going to fill up these beams. Just stuff it all in. So I'm going to put my mouth mask on and do that first. And now I know how I'm going to do it. We can just crack on. Our biggest problem is not condense, or cold, but heat. And then mainly from the roof. So the ceiling is important. Well done, Bob. Yeah. I'm never going to get this finished now. A friend of mine came round. Very happy with that. This works now. It couldn't fold down. Folds down. We've been playing with the reverse camera. That works. We will install that soon because I find that a bit difficult myself. He advised me to pull one more cable before I close it up with 230, so that in the front, if you sit there and your iPad, laptop, something is empty, you can charge. Good idea. So that's good. What else did we do? Just testing, playing. He checked everything I did. And oh yeah, the cable here, the big cable, I can just snap it off, fumble it on the top, so that if ever in the future you need a wire, you have one. But I don't need it, and I didn't do anything disastrous. So yeah, happy. Time for coffee, and then I have to continue. I still want to have the ceiling done tonight. Fantastic. I'm having so much fun with this thing. What a project. Oh yeah, he also agreed that where the little hole is, that was from the factory, there's supposed to be some sealant to close it off. And on that side it's there, and on this side it's not. That's why there's water coming in. So I can just close it up with the kit I bought. Now, all sounds hopeful. Come on, Bob. Back to work. And then the ceiling was done. Can't believe it. Because when my friend came, we spent quite some time. I mean, I wanted to know how to flatten the front seats and all these other things. And I still managed to get it in. It looks a bit wonky, but once those strips are in, it'll be nicely secured in place. Yeah, quite happy with this. Wow. It's happening!